Do you also say that Facebook leads are bogus, or they don't convert, or they convert in a very few numbers? Understand this. Nobody is there on Facebook to buy something or hire you or get a mm, service. They are there to interact with their friends, their family members, or they are there to be entertained. They are in no way thinking of having a business relationship with a business. So there are three things you can do to increase lead quality from Facebook instant form. First thing is, first thing is you should ask 2, 3, 4 genuine, reasonable custom questions in lead forms. Generally, what inexperienced advertisers or small businesses do, that they ask for a person's name, person's email ID, person's contact number, or WhatsApp number, or mobile number. That's it. This way, anyone who see your ad, just click on it, on the button or the post, and the form is opened, and their name, email ID, and mobile number is populated automatically, and they submit, and they forget. When you will call them, they will say that, no, I haven't filled the form. I don't need your service. I don't want to get demo of your software. And they just deny filling forms. It happens because they saw your amazing creative and they filled the form, they submitted, and they forgot. So ask 2, 3 questions, relevant questions, which is useful for your business, and the people has to type or select yes, no, or choose an option, that are you a businessman, or are you a job seeker, or are you a student, such type of thing. Or if you are promoting something related to modeling or dance, you can ask, have you ever participated in any event? Then you can ask, how much you can pay for your service in a range like 1 to 5, 5 up to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, or 10,000 and above. And you, so if I will give you these details, I will remember that I have filled a form, and I will take pain to fill the form because I am curious, at least curious about your offer. So the quality of lead will automatically increase. The second thing you can do is you can use funnel, a short funnel, a small 1 or 2 or 3 steps there should be there, like you 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 posted a video ad, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, and you then in lead form you are only targeting those people who have watched your video for at least 50%. Three 3 second or 10 second or 15-second videos, it just automatically people watch and then exit because they find that it is not relevant to them. So let them watch the video, or you may first post about the problems your customer actually have. Then you can post a retargeting ad you can create where you target those people who are engaged in your first ad, engaged with your first ad, and then you retarget them in your second ad where you provide the solution. And in the third ad, you run again a retargeting ad to fill the form. This way they know your business, they know your offer, they know that you know the solution of their problem. Again, the quality of leads will be good. And third method is to generate direct lead, but don't call them. But don't say that when you are available for a meeting or you are available for the demo. Tell them about yourself, about your business, what services you provide. Send them your brochure or some ebook or some case studies. Share with them or your client's experience. And there you put one question or one appointment scheduler or one offer and ask them to reply. This is also a very good way to nurture the lead. And there I found that almost 90% leads are relevant, actually relevant. 10% can be bogus, that they don't have budget, they are not actually interested, they mistakenly filled the form and submitted. So 90% lead, maybe they are not going to take your offer today or within the first month, but they will engage with your content and they will, when they are prepared, they will contact you. They will ask for your service. I am running lead generation ads for last 6-7 years and I have done it for many type of businesses. Even yesterday I started a new campaign for a new client and generated 63 leads till now in 2 days. I asked him what is his analysis, and he said only 3 people took their demo. It is just a start, and there is 63 people and 3 people had taken the demo. So 5% is good. Their budget is low. I am generating just 3 basic questions plus 1 question because they need a lot of leads. They need in 15 days, they will need at least 300 leads per day. At least 300 leads per day. So the quality will improve, and as they engage with them, they will find what is working, what is not working. I will also find, and the Facebook will also get the data, and it will start. I will also start retargeting ads. I will start lookalike ads. So lookalike campaigns. So they will get them. So don't be disappointed with Facebook lead ads. Almost all small businesses start with Facebook instant form campaigns, and they get results if they don't drop off. You can contact me on my mobile number, or you can just say hi on uh, the messenger. In the messenger, I will contact you back. Thank you.